Hey guys, now I will show you how to change the Wi-Fi password on your Netis-N2 AC1200 dual-band gigabit router. Connect your Android mobile or computer to the router using an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. You must be connected to your Netis Wi-Fi router. Don't use mobile data to configure your Wi-Fi settings. Once your mobile or computer is connected to the Netis Wi-Fi router, open a web browser and type 192.168.1.254netis.cc in the address field, then press enter to visit the Netis router's web management page. Now log into your router's panel. Type the administrator username and password. You can find the default login username and password on a label underneath the Netis-N2 router. First, type your login username. Netis-N2 Wi-Fi router default login username guest. Then, type your login password. Netis-N2 router default login password is guessed at last 4 to 6 digits of LAN MAC address. Then, click on sign in. Confirm or change the wireless network name SSID. Type the name SSID for your 2.4G band wireless network. Type the wireless network name SSID for your 5G band wireless network. Type the password you have chosen in the box next to the password. Wi-Fi password must contain at least 8 characters. Then click on save. If you think this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.